Good morning, Kirsten.
Good morning. Guess where we are?
Because we got up early, because we have another long day of driving, we are at...
The largest chili pepper. It's 7 a.m. and we're here to look at the chili pepper. And it's magnificent.
Because what better way to start your day
Than with chili pepper.
than with the red hot chili pepper?
It's chili pepper.
It is. Can we leave now?
We may leave now and get some coffee.
Good. Bye.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are your travels?
Good. We made it through the border checkpoint without being arrested or searched.
Literally, we had to go through a border patrol checkpoint in New Mexico.
Oh my goodness. That's weird.
Yeah, it was very bizarre.
I was concerned they would strip search me.
I was like, pass the phone to question.
So where are we right now?
Phone, am I in Arizona or New Mexico?
So much for it being a smartphone.
No, and then it's telling me the time differences between Arizona and New Mexico. It didn't tell me where I am at
Ask
home.
me, where are we now? Where are we?
Where are we? Yeah, okay, where are we now? It thinks we're in Las Cruces. It thinks we're at Summit Court, which
You
is
have the dumbest smartphone I've ever seen. We're getting there.
We're about to cross over into another state, which may or may not be Arizona. We'll check the sign and see where we are.
It's recording, I guess. Whoa.
Don't fall in the hole.
Oh, my God.
There's a ditch.
The lengths we go through.
To see fun stuff on the side of the road.
Because what's a day with not only one roadside attraction, but...
Well, 2 roadside attractions is always better.
Oh, 2 is better than 1. But look, we have a huge...
I'm going to say it's a velociraptor. I thought it was going to be a T-Rex, but it's a pretty good-sized dinosaur, and we're at the McDonald's in Benson, Arizona, just right off the highway. So he can't blame me for delaying the trip.
As we were barreling down the highway toward...
Saguaro National Forest.
We both became a little peckish.
And we decided not to eat at McDonald's earlier when we saw the dinosaur because it was still early and they still only had breakfast food. But we changed the time zones and we were hungry anyway. So now we're in Tucson.
We're in Tucson at the
Drunken Chicken.
At the Drunken Chicken. But I will say that Tucson is not the same without Sarah Sachs.
So, Kirsten, tell us about your new friend.
This is Sonny the Saguaro. He's a junior ranger from the national park. And he asked to come home with me.
Asked or begged?
He asked politely because he's a cactus. And who doesn't think that all cactuses, cacti, are polite? You weren't in the store, so you don't know what happened.
No, I was not in the store. I was out preparing the car.
Preparing the car for the dirt road that you didn't know we were going on.
Yes. There comes a time in all road trips where
You gotta scrub it.
look at all the colors.
Well, truth be told, we had a better ending than today on video, but the file got corrupted, so it's not usable. Don't blame it on me. It's
It was the technology.
It's the technology. Long day. Fun.
Yes.
Cacti.
Multiple
cacti.
with all their little personalities.
Got the car wash. That's big for me because we couldn't find the
What's
black
the
car
highlight
anymore.
of the- highlight
Couldn't find the
of
black
day?
car anymore because it was brown or tan or some shit like that.
He doesn't like the dirt.
We have no Wi-Fi tonight, so you're seeing this the day later because, well, no Wi-Fi because the technology.
Production delays.
Production dollars, but well worth it. And all I could say is tomorrow's a big day, so we're gonna get some shut eye.
The alarm is set.
The alarm is set. Big things happening early, so day 6 is gonna be well worth watching, I think.
I don't know how much exciting video there will be, but there will be transition.
Definitely road trip transition.
Correct.
Good night, everybody.